Welcome to Life with Carrie. So today we have another product sent to us by Amazon, and this is called the Enbrighten Color Select Rechargeable LED Lantern. It doubles as a power bank, and it has a USB charger for your device. So you could actually charge your phone or any electronic device through the USB outlet. And it says you could cycle through 12 colors or select your favorite. You could choose solid color, color fade, amber glow, or a candle flicker. And on the back it just has the description of everything, and it's up to 425 hours of battery life, and it has a lifetime LED warranty. And it actually has an emergency signal as well, and full range dimmability. So it pretty much has like everything built into this. This is pretty much like the Cadillac of lantern lights that you could probably find out there. And again, we got this off of Amazon, and this would have been very handy because recently we lost power for 72 hours for 3 entire days in Texas. So this would have actually lasted the entire time during that power outage, and it would have been extremely helpful. Alright, and there, oh my god, it's so bright. Wow. And it says press once for the demo. So that's what I did. I pressed it for the demo, so it's just showing all the different things that this light does. The sequences. So we unboxed this lantern light, and on the front, to disable the try me mode, we have to hold this in for 10 seconds. So we'll do that first. Alright. So we got that turned off, so it won't do that weird mode with all the settings. So now, it comes with this micro USB charging cable, and it charges right here in the front. It does not have the C port, it just has the micro USB and the regular USB in there. So on the bottom, if you want to use alkaline batteries with this, once the other batteries are depleted, you would go ahead and open this up. But it does come with a rechargeable lithium battery. So we'll go ahead and we'll turn it on.
75%.
So we're at 75% right now. So if this were to go down, it would be 50% and 25%. So before it gets low, you make sure you want to charge this to make sure those batteries, the rechargeable battery, does not die. Because if it does, then you have to use the alkaline batteries, which are 3 D-cell batteries.
So it's pretty cool because you have a backup on top of what happened.
So we're gonna go through the different modes. This right here next to the power button is the mode button. So we go ahead and push it, and it changes the different settings.
Can you turn the light off?
So this one's kind of like a flickering.
Turn the light off.
Why?
So we can see this one, please.
It's like a candle flicker mode.
Thank you. Ooh.
And this thing is pretty bright. The LED is really good on it.
It has 650 lumens.
This is perfect for if you go camping or if you lose power. You can use this pretty much for anything. If you go to Donkey Lady Bridge or urban exploring, you could use this too. So that's pretty much it. It has a bunch of different colors. You just keep pushing till you get to the mode that you want to be in. So this is an awesome lantern. The handle is really easy to hold. It's very lightweight. It comes with everything you need. It's super bright, so I would definitely recommend this, and I would give it 5 stars for excellent quality. The price is good on it, and it works perfect. So thank you so much for watching, and remember to like and subscribe. Thank you. Bye-bye.